I was listening to a podcast with Reverend Michael Beckwith, and something he said about finding your soul purpose really resonated with me. So I also get people in my world that come to me and ask me, like, how can I find my true purpose? How can I find my true soul purpose? And he says that the best way to do it is to find yourself in stillness, get into a meditative state, or just simply be with yourself, close your eyes, be still. Imagine that all of your needs are met. So everything that you ever need has already been met within. And he says, from this state of all my needs are met, that is when your soul can actually come to the surface. That is when your soul can arise, because you're no longer in survival. And this is why, if you think about it, there are parallels to Joe Dispenza's work. Like, Joe Dispenza is very heavy on science, but technically that's what he talks about. He's like, you need to move your body from survival to safety. And only when your body feels safe, when you're not looking for the next threat, when you're not expecting the worst case scenario, that is when you can start to call in your desires, because you're not bracing for impact. Your body is not waiting to survive, essentially, right? Like, your body feels safe. And this is what the work is all about. The work is about feeling safe within yourself. So Michael Beckwith was like, when you feel safe within yourself, when you have this deep knowing that all of my needs are met, even if your physical reality is showing you something opposite, you still go within yourself and give yourself that energetic feeling of all of my needs are met. And the minute you feel that way, your soul purpose can come out. Because most of the time, we're still looking for our soul purpose that's going to pay the bills, that is going to give us all of these things in our external reality. And that is not to say that you cannot be compensated for your soul purpose. Of course you can, but it almost becomes a bonus, right? Like, your first intention and what you need to do first is to make yourself feel safe. So I was listening to that, and it really resonated with where I am in my life. In the past year, I have manifested a lot of abundance in my life, and not once did I ever think about money. I just thought about, what would it feel like if everything worked in my favor? What would it actually feel like for me to feel safe in this moment? I'm not gonna think about the future. I'm not gonna ruminate about my past. I'm just gonna come back into this moment, because in this moment, I am safe. The only reason I feel unsafe is because my thoughts are projecting me into the future, or thinking about all the mistakes that I've made in the past. So if I can stop thinking that way, if I can stop my thoughts from spiraling and actually come back to where I am right now in this body, what would that feel like? And almost all the time, I felt safe. And so I've manifested abundance just by feeling safe. I've never thought about a specific amount of money. I took numbers out of it. I just started to feel safe. I started to feel everything is always happening for my highest good. I am always provided for. My needs are always met. So let me know if you try this. Rehearse this feeling in your body that your needs are always met. And I promise you, things will shift so fast for you, because energy travels faster than light. This has been proven by science, okay? So yeah, I want to hear from you in the comments below.